Alright y'all, so what you see here is just some rib trimmings. When I buy spare ribs, I always trim them down to St. Louis. And this is the trimmings from about 3 or 4 cooks. So I'm going to take these in and I'm going to grind them up and make some ground pork. Grind-a-roo! Alright, so this is what I ended up with. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is a 3/4 pound. But this is it. That's no fat added. That was the fat that was in with the rib meat. And no seasonings, because we'll use it for like ground pork. You can use it in place of ground beef. So that was all stuff that we bought and trimmed off the spare ribs, and now we have another 8 meals or so ground pork. Here's a clip of Sunday morning where we're using the ground pork to make a ground al pastor. Cut the tops off of some guajillos and open them up. De-seeded all the peppers. Put them in a pot of hot water. To the blender, I'm adding my garlic, my dry seasoning mix, the can of pineapple juice, the achote paste, the whole box, vegetable oil, 1/4 cup, and a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 2 chipotle peppers. And then I add the guajillos and set it on the blender. Put the lid on. And zap. Blend, blend, blendaroo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through this strainer to get out all the thick particulates. So when I put it into my meat mixture there, it'll be like a sauce. As you can see, it looks like a sauce. Kind of like a sloppy joe, which is what I was going for. Mix, mix, mixaroo. Time to plate. Now I just got 2 pieces of keto toast. And I'm spooning on the meat mixture. Gonna top with a little bit of chopped onion. Add a few chunks of pineapple. Now I'm going to add some dried cilantro, just for a garnish. Alright y'all, so I'm editing and I realized I left this video hanging. So the rib trimmings, you know, I always save those, and then instead of throwing them away, I save them and I use them either as rib tips or, you know, I grind them up and make like ground pork. And I just wanted to show you guys a little something that you could create using the ground pork. So that was the ground al pastor or sloppy al pastor, sloppy joe, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But hey, that's how we made it. It turned out really good, really delicious. And hey, give it a try. And I want to thank my buddy Jared over at Frack Daddy Barbecue for sharing his al pastor recipe. It was amazing. And it is that one's going in my recipe box. So y'all have a great week, and just don't be afraid to try something different. Just get out there and do it. And remember, there's 2 rules of cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. You guys are awesome. Have a great week.